NBC2 has live team special coverage for Tropical Storm Elsa.
Yeah, rain bands are pounding southwest Florida with wind and rain right now. Let's go to Charlotte County, where we have NBC2's Samantha Serbin right now. Samantha, you're on Manasota Key, and it actually looks like your live shot is the best of the day we've seen weather-wise so far.
Yeah, it's not too bad right here, right now. We've seen these gray skies out here all morning, but it's just starting to get windy out here. This morning it was pretty easy, pretty fair winds, and you can feel a little bit of rain coming down, but it's not too bad. You can see behind us, there are quite a few people out here venturing it out on the beach today, even though Elsa is on their way. A number of people I've talked to said they're not too concerned at this time, but if the rain gets heavy or if the wind gets too heavy, they will head on home and hunker down. Now, you can see there are a group of people that are sitting in some chairs over here to our left. We talked to some people that are storm watchers out here today. This is what they do during hurricane season. They come out, they bring their chairs, some ponchos, and a cooler. They sit out here and watch the waves and watch the clouds roll in. They say they enjoy the nature and the beauty that is out here when the storm comes in, and they say they like to come here specifically to Inglewood Beach on Manasota Key to see these waves get a lot bigger than they normally are. We were actually out here yesterday. These waters were calm. This is a very stark contrast from yesterday. Now, there's not nearly as many people, though. You can see over here to our right, there are some people that are actually venturing it in the water. And I know you guys earlier were talking about it's not advised to be in the water right now, and that's because of rip currents. It's not a good idea to get in the water during these storms because of these rip currents. They can be dangerous, they can bring you down, and we definitely don't want anyone to get hurt as this storm comes through. We talked to a surfer earlier today who moved to Florida about 2 years ago and says that he comes out here to surf, but when it gets too bad, he says he does head indoors to keep it safe and try to avoid those currents to the best of his ability. The rain, like I said, not too bad out here right now. There's some gray skies, a little bit of wind, and a little bit of sprinkling rain, but nothing that we're not used to here in Florida right now. And we'll be sure to be out here for the rest of the day as this storm comes through and let you know how bad it does get out here. We are on that eastern side of the storm, so we will see some of those bad impacts as the storm comes through later this evening. We'll be sure to keep you updated. Live in Inglewood Beach, Samantha Serbin, NBC2.